I'm Samjo. Rishi loved toys, games, and chocolates. One day, he found a shiny rupee coin on the road. Excited, he ran to the shop to buy candy. But on the way, he saw a hungry puppy shivering in the rain. Rishi stopped. He thought for a moment. Instead of buying candy, he bought a biscuit for the puppy. The puppy wagged its tail, followed him home, and became Rishi's best friend. Next morning, Rishi found 10 rupees under the puppy's paw. His kindness brought him luck and joy. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See my next video. Sometimes, the smallest kindness can bring the biggest happiness.